Hi class, let's take a look at this problem. And there's actually multiple ways we can approach this problem. One way would be try to see if it's possible to simplify something for the function. So try to simplify and see if it's even possible. It may not be possible. Okay, so basically what this means is I'm just going to rewrite it as the integral. And then I'm just going to separate this. This is the tangent of x times 1 over the actual secant of actually x to the third power dx. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to express the tangent using the identity, and also let's change everything to sines and cosines. This may work. So what I'm going to do is rewrite the integral as, well, technically the sine of x over the cosine of x. And then I'm also going to do, so technically that's your tangent function. And then what I'm going to do is on the actual secant, I'm going to rewrite it as a cosine. So this will be a cosine to the third power of x dx. And what we have here is what looks to be a simpler form of the integral. So we technically have that this is equal to the integral of sine of x times a cosine to the second of x dx. And then we can try to do the substitution of the u's here. So we may have to go back to the drawing board, or you could have also taken a different approach and express your answers as secants and cosecants. But in this case, let's take a look. So we would let u equal to the cosine of x, which is going to give us that du. So hold on, let me put this in blue. So let u equal to the cosine of x, then du is equal to a negative. So this is equal to a negative sine of x dx, or du over the negative sine of x is equal to dx. And then what we're going to try to see here if it's possible to rewrite the integral. So this specific integral is equal to, well, the integral of the sine of x times a u squared times a du over a negative sine of x. And then what we're hoping is for this cancellation of values, let's not forget that negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it. And in this case, this is equivalent to a negative integral of u to the second du. Now, the approach that we're actually using, it's not technically unique. We could have done many attempts on integrating this one. We could have tried to multiply top and bottom for this portion and put a secant tangent and approach it in a different form. Now, let me finish this one. This one actually worked out. The simplification is not really messy. So we would end up with negative u to the third divided by 3 plus c. Or as a final answer, in terms of the correct parameter, this is going to be a negative, cosine to the third power of x divided by 3 plus the constant of integration. And this happens to be our final answer.